UHF read-write heads from TURCK have long ranges and are simple to integrate into the system. The rugged IP67 aluminum housing protects the equipment against possible damage. The reader, with integrated antenna and standard M12 connector, meets the frequency requirements of all major global markets. Pick-to-light systems on the shelves and compartments combine with RFID, leading the driver to the correct pallet. At the correct compartment, the UHF read-write head reads the RFID tags on the pallets. False readings are locked out due to integrated RSSI filters. Here is a light screen connected as a trigger to the TBEN-L RFID I/O module. By multiplexing, the user can connect up to 4 read-write heads to a TBEN-L RFID module for fast acyclic reading and writing of multiple tags. The block is capable of decentralized control and does not need to be connected to a higher level PLC. The fast acyclic reading ensures all tags are read, so all pallets are reliably detected and assigned to the correct truck. UHF read-write heads from TURCK ensure reliable and accurate detection of RFID tags at any time.